how are your parents?
They're fine, they're okay.
Started to come to see us today.
It's not like that. You understand. So, what is it you want me to do for you?
Nothing serious. I want to go to the dry cleaners to pick up David's clothing. Then go to the supermarket to buy some things so I can prepare something before he comes back.
Okay. So, give me the receipts. I'll go to the cleaners. Then you go to the supermarket.
Are you sleeping with us today?
Bring the receipt first. One request at a time.
Okay, madam.
I'm waiting now.
But you won't go home.
You're on your own, count me out.
Just 2 days now. As you're going back to the village, I'm going back to school.
2 days? You want my mother to cut off my ears?
She won't.
I'll just do the washing. You go do the shopping.
Fair enough.
Thank you. Balance. Thank you. Thank you. Well, when are you coming back?
I don't know, maybe soon.
Hey.
Talk of the devil.
I know, my angel.
Hi, darling.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm fine, thank you. You're welcome.
Yeah. Morning, what's going down now?
I'm fine, I'm good.
She was gossiping you.
Since when did school matter concern Dave now? I wasn't talking.
Morning is like that now.
No.
Thought we were on the same page.
You know me now.
She was not that. It's okay.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, I see you two girls are bored stiff eating fruit. Now I suggest I take you to the cinemas so we have proper fun, huh? How about that?
Are you serious?
Hi.
No, I'm going to change that.
I ain't not going.
Yes, podcast.
Okay, wait now. Relax.
Okay, don't change. Don't worry.
Oh, God. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Plus you travel tomorrow.
Yes. I have to. Don't worry, I'll come back as soon as possible.
But you're not going with your parents, right?
I'm not traveling with them, but I'll have to be there to convince them enough so that when they travel, I'll just come back quickly to be with you.
I'll hold your words to that, you know.
Trust me, I will be there.
You know I love you, right?
Say it again.
I love you.
Don't start sounding like this now. I just want to go and round off the clearance I have in school. And very soon I'll be back.
How soon?
Very, very soon.
Okay, we'll be here waiting.
But meanwhile, help me in tidying the house. But if you don't see Dave, just lock up the place and go.
That means I'm not going to see you.
At least to the gate. Girlfriend?
Okay, I hear you. Isn't he dropping you?
Yes, of course he is. I'll meet him up somewhere.
Okay. Alright, let's go.
Look, I've just been doing a good job of keeping bottles empty.
Dave, I was actually waiting for you to come back. Now that you're here, I think I have to go.
What is wrong? Huh?
No, Dave.
Dave, what?
This story. It's wrong. I can't betray my friends.
Maureen! Maureen! Maureen!
Mama, sorry.
This your recent absent-mindedness is beginning to get on my nerves. What is it?
Nothing. No, nothing. There's no problem.
Nothing. Tell me if there is any problem.
Mama, there's nothing. No, I was just watching the meat.
Maureen, are you sure?
Yes, Mama.
Okay. Go and tell Mama Chinelo for me. Tell her that I'll be coming to her house in the evening.
Mama...
Mama Chinelo, now go to her house.
Okay.
Hey, awkward that you give me balloon. So.
Anybody home?
Let me tell you, if you like, wait for me till month end. If you like, wait till year end. It's only when I get the money that I will give you. Yes. Manjagori. I won't go for robbery to pay you. I won't do it. What are you talking about? Nonsense. Ndebalo. And you won't get carried away. Hey, hey, hey. Who is there? Hey. You came around? Or is anybody in the house? You see it? You see it? When I go out, they go their separate ways. Huh? Even these days, when I'm in the house, they won't be there to attend to me. That's the kind of house I am running. Do you see it? Don't mind, please. Come, let's go and take cola.
No, eat you. No, I'm fine.
Eh?
I'm fine.
You won't eat cola?
No, I'm fine. Okay. Yes, I actually came to see Maureen. Myself and Doris, we are quite worried. We've not seen her in a while, and her phones haven't been going through.
Oh, just so?
Yes.
Okay, don't worry. I will get her to call you.
Thank you.
All right.
Ichi. Yeah.
Ah, Dave. You'll never stop being good. Eh? Dave, you're good.
Thank you.
In fact, you're sweet. You're edible.
Edible.
Sweet.
Please. Oh my God, sweet.
No, I love this.
Ichi, please. When Maureen gets back, can you tell her to reach out to me, please?
No, if you want her, I'll get her to you. No, it's a button. If once you want, open your mouth, make demand. I'll get her for you.
Okay.
Nyasaya for you.
No, not that. No.
He can't leave you out to solve again. What are you talking about, Dave? You deserve it. It's your right. It's your privilege. Eh? According to the Constitution, you deserve it. Section 2, Chapter 5, Verse 6. Everything is yours. Eh? Oh. This Dave is good. Eh? That's the kind of person I want around me. Not these witches and wizards all over the place. Eh? Witches and wizards. Let me warn all of you. From now on, the fight and war will be between Nsabundo and all of you. They are an enemy, tell no. I'm waiting for all of you. Eh? Ndibalo, and you want to see Kogi. Eh? Ike for now, tum. Ike ba tum. Na to bomba aro. What about my work in the Boko Haram now? Memory. Oh my God! Papa, is this you or your ghost?
Papa, keep your voice down.
Keep your voice down in my own house. So you were here and Dave was knocking, nobody answered him?
Papa, I didn't want to see him. I wasn't.
You don't want to do it?
I didn't want to see him.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty didn't want to see Dave. What did you do?
I didn't do anything, Papa.
If you don't tell me now, I'll leave a temper.
Papa, I didn't do anything. I just don't want to see him now.
You were hiding this for nothing. You are now young man, come and knock here and turn nobody. Hey! Look at this girl. She has turned into something else. I'm going. I said I'm going.
How does it concern me?
Look at you. Can't you say, go with my husband? Or save me, my darling?
Meaning what? When did that one start?
Okay, so you won't say goodbye? Come in safety? Alright. You will ask for money for food.
In a nyabum before. In a nyabum.
So I'm no longer useful to you.
You are not.
Even no one calls.
Don't look for my trouble. Stop looking for my trouble.
Let me go. You will ask for money for food.
Do you bring money for
food? You
food?
will see my reaction.
Do you bring money for food?
Go get
Do you bring money for food?
Later I know how to treat you.
You must answer me today, because I know you are in this house. Onsabondo, where are you? If you don't pay me my money today, something terrible will happen in this place. Dear woman, where is your husband?
Ichienza, don't put me in your problem, oh. Please, don't call my name.
Hey, so is it me you are talking to in that manner? I say, where is your husband?
Yeah. How would you have preferred it? Keep calling him. If he's around, he will answer you. If he's not around, he will not answer you. Simple arithmetic.
Oh, okay. So you are not calling me a dunce, eh? Hey, I don't blame you. Keep insulting me. Let me tell you, by the time I come back to this house, you will not have this roof over your head if you fail to pay my money.
Ichienza, stop calling my name this morning. Stop it, oh.
Nonsense. See, I will not only bring down this useless house, I will make sure I bring in Shovundo together with it. Watch and see.
Delivering this message because you heard everything.
I heard everything. I heard everything. Even the time he said, "He'll pull down my house." I heard everything. Let him come and pull down my house. The house I sweated to build. Eh? Where is his strength to come and do it? Am I the only person owing in this community? Doesn't come and do it.
Hey, Sabundu. So you are shouting?
Why shouldn't I shout?
Why didn't you come out the time Nisa was here? Why didn't you come out and shout with him? You were hiding inside. Now the man is gone. You're here shouting. You want to put down your house?
This brain God gave us, we should use it wisely. See, he who fights and runs away lives to fight a different day. When they kill me, you're left alone for them. I can't even get you. Why should I die? If I die, you don't know the consequences. I will possess my possession. Let me tell you. They will come and enjoy the fruit of my labor. I won't do it. Let me
Sabundu.
Wait. You know this man may be looking somewhere to attack me. I have to postpone this trip.
Oh, man.
You don't live life a second time.
Sabundu, are you coming back to the house?
I am not running away. I'm saving my life for you.
I
have to. See, if anything happens to me, the man will take over. I don't like that. I won't go. I'll be there to enjoy the fruit of my labor, the fruit of my dowry, the fruit of my dowry. They won't take it away from me.
You're not enough.
Mommy's father has delivered a message. And yet, she's not here. I think something is wrong.
Well, your guess is as good as mine.
Even the results she asked me to check for her, she has not even called to know what's up with the results. I think I should just go to her house in the morning.
Well, you can do that tomorrow.
Sure.
Then go ahead, eat. I'm sure Maureen is fine.
What's wrong with you?
I'm sorry.
Look at my clothes.
I'm sorry.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
How can it be okay when you're throwing up? Let it not be what I'm thinking.
I'm okay.
I'm asking you for the last time, very last time, who is responsible for this pregnancy?
Please give me some time. I will talk after I've told the person.
No. What will happen here? If you want to talk to him first, then leave my house. But if you're staying here, you talk to me first.
Yes. Nay, please, let's take it easy on her.
Take what easy?
You just give her a little time.
Who is that? Who is that?
Come in.
Come in. Thank God. Thank God we are here. Tell your friend that I will commit murder and suicide if she fails to tell us who gave her this pregnancy.
Mori, are you pregnant? Who is responsible?
Mama, please let me talk to Doris. Let me just small time. Let me talk to Doris.
Oh, okay. Let's go so that she can talk to
Go
her.
where?
He said he wants to talk.
Go where from my house?
Hey, because they are not.
Let her do, or else something happens here.
Talk now. Talk before your father comes out.
Doris, let me talk to my parents first, then I will tell you.
Are you alright? Talk before he comes out. Your father will kill you.
I will tell you after I've told them, please.
Has she talked? Has she told you?
Papa, she wants to talk to you people.
Want to do what? To talk to we people? What do you mean? We were here just now. She didn't talk.
Papa, please Doris, please let me talk to my parents. Excuse us, please. 5 minutes.
Now talk. Talk now.
Okay, tell us now. Tell us, okay. Oh, yeah, no.
Mama, please. Let me...
We are listening. Talk.
Let me tell Doris.
May thunder tear you into pieces for playing with me, your father! For dribbling me! For playing with me! Talk now!
Doris!
Talk where?
Doris! Doris,
Talk now.
wait. Papa, please let me talk to Doris first now. Papa, I will talk.
Please. Talk now. Talk.
Talk!
Hey!
Papa, it is Dave.
Which Dave?
Baby, come on. Don't do this, please. Don't do this.
Jesus Christ. Dave! Maureen pregnant! How could you have done something of that sort? Just leave me alone. You know, Maureen was like a sister to us.
Baby, please. I mean, we can sort this out, okay? Let's just talk. Let's talk. Don't do this, darling. Come on, don't do this.
There is nothing to sort out.
Come on, don't do this. Will you please? Please, baby, come on. If you leave me now, what will happen? Huh? I need you by my side. Come on, don't do this, darling. Please.
It is over between both of us.
Baby, don't say this. This is so wrong. Please, don't do this. Baby, stop this. Stop this now. Baby, please, can you just stop?
Leave me alone!
Come on, baby, I'm not going to allow you to do this. Come on. Baby, please, don't.
Get the hell out of
Baby, stop this. Baby.
I am going.
Go. But remember to thank that stupid Dave. Tell him that I said that it is only hellfire that will separate the kind of war I'm going to declare on him for doing this to my daughter.
Okay. Since you are all that ready, why don't you go and tell him yourself?
Okay, let me go now.
Woman, wait. Don't spoil my mood that is spoiled already this morning. It's spoiled already, please.
Let me go. It's okay. But if you don't come back here with a reasonable thing, that stupid Dave, you will have me to contend.
Hey!
Please, my daughter, for the sake of the baby, pull yourself together and stop crying. It won't solve anything. You know who your father is.
Mama, you don't understand. It's bad enough that I'm pregnant for Dave. Now you are telling me to marry him. I can't marry him. I can't marry him. I can't do that to Doris.
Because for my sake, please, I'm begging you, don't let this whole village laugh at me. They will laugh at your mother.
Mama, please, I can't do that to Doris. She's like my sister. I can't believe I can't marry Dave.
Listen. Dave has asked for time to sort things out. It's just a little time. The deed has been done. Let's give him time and see what he has to do.
I can't believe you're the one saying this. Give him little time. Okay. I'll see.
Baby, please. I want you back. The house is lonely without you. Please.
I can't stand the shame.
Listen here. No matter what, I'm not giving up on you, okay?
Dave, we need to give ourselves some time.
Look, now what would you have me do? Huh? What do you want me to do?
In that way, we can start by giving Morris parents some money so that they can stay away from you. So how are you?
Baby, I'm not fine. I miss you.
Where are you?
I'm in a bar.
You're drinking again?
Baby. Look at where drinking got me to, okay? I swore to you I was never going to drink, and I am not drinking. I'm only drinking water. I just needed to leave home.
Just take care of yourself. Bye.
Baby.
I'm here to see what is good about the afternoon.
Mama, please. I'm sorry. It wasn't intentional.
Don't let me hear that from your mouth again. It wasn't intentional. It wasn't intentional. You zipped down your trouser. Finish and zip it up. It wasn't intentional. Don't get me angry. Tell me, what are your plans about my daughter?
Mama, please. Just try and understand. I'll get back to you in due course.
While I am waiting for your due course, don't let that pregnancy overdo in my house. Because this land will be too small for both of us.
No, please. Just be patient. Let me just get myself together. Get things together. I'll get back to you.
You better do, because I didn't understand how and where I offended you. Is it by sending Maureen to come and help you and Doris whenever you needed her? Or by knowing you? I've not been able to answer this question since this pregnancy issue came up. David. Okay.
I guess I was drunk. Look, I know I was drunk. Okay, still it's no excuse. I mean, I wasn't in control of my senses. I didn't know what I was doing, but life is miserable without you, though. Our home is miserable without you. I'm telling you, so lonely. I get into the room and I feel like, there's something missing.
Yes. You brought one for me. Of course, this is for you. All for you, G. Why don't I take it home? Yes, since you have plenty in your house.
No problem, it's all for you, G. It's all for you.
Okay. Yeah. In that case, the glass can go for retirement.
Yes, EJ, I don't know if we can reach some sort of agreement. Yes. You see, I like Maureen. I like her so much, but the thing is that though she's pregnant, if I get married to her now, a lot of things would go wrong.
Just hold on. What kind of agreement are you talking about?
What I'm saying is, I can take care of Maureen without marrying her.
Please, don't let my wife hear that.
Ichi, I'm not saying I'm going to abandon her. No, I'm not going to abandon her. No, okay, I will definitely take care of her. I'll take care of you. Yes, let me start first of all by giving you this token just for your transportation, Ichi.
See, Dave, our people say that it's a bad omen to reject money. Because of their saying, I'm going to take this money. Hey, Dave, do you know you're like a son to me? It's just that this issue is sensitive.
Ichi, I know it's sensitive, I know. Look, I will take care of Maureen. I'll take care of you, I'll take care of your household. You know, let's not even forget that the Maureen in question doesn't even want to get married to me, you know.
But she's pregnant for you. There's a pregnancy in between the two of you. Yes, but not worry, not worry. What I'll do is, once I go home, I'll find a way to convince my wife. Oh, yes, sir. Hmm? Oh, yeah.
That's why I hold you in high esteem.
Look, things will take control of themselves.
Thank you.
Okay, let me be on my way. But thank you. Thank you.
It's okay. I have no choice but to now meet up with Maureen and tell her face to face on our present stand.
Just do what you have to do. After giving birth in your house, she goes and our life will move on.
Baby. I'm sorry. I really do feel horrible about this whole incident.
It's okay. What we have is greater than this temptation.
I love you.
I love you too.
I'm sorry.
So, my dear, do not worry yourself, okay? Your baby is fine. And have you been eating well? Because that's the only thing that really worries me.
Doctor, I eat when I'm hungry.
No. That's not good. Maureen, listen. You're not just feeding yourself. You're also feeding that baby you're carrying. And that baby depends on you. So please do me the favor and follow the list I gave to you. And believe me, your baby will tell you thank you for it later, okay?
I'll try. Okay. I have to start going now.
Okay.
Well, promise me you'll come and visit me.
Let me see how this weekend will be. Okay, I'll try my best. Do care of yourself, okay? Take it easy.
Do you like the food? How was the trip? Did you see the man you said you were going to see? I went for antenatal today and the doctor made some recommendations. Are you all right?
happening to me? Why is this? This is not the home I long for. Somebody tell me why is this? Why is this happening to me? Why is this happening to me?
Oh, I didn't forget you. I just didn't forget you. What's up?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Me too.
You're also hungry?
Very hungry.
Both of you are hungry. And you two never mentioned it all the way to this place. Well, what's up with that now?
The fact is, I'm hungry. I need to eat something.
Also, the fact is that you're not a visitor here, so you go into the kitchen, I'm sure you get something.
Okay.
If you don't see anything, we'll go out and have something to eat, huh?
All right, let me check.
You go, baby.
Please hurry.
So what's up? Tell me about this your new man. Tell me. What's up with you? You're already smiling. Well, what?
We have a misunderstanding.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I don't want to talk about him.
When the lady doesn't want to talk about her man, she obviously say
He
her.
doesn't want to talk about it, please.
is ready.
Right? My boyfriend is a freak. A big freak. Why would I talk about him? You want me to tell her what you told me about him? Like what you guys do behind closed doors, huh? Tell me. No.
Are you believing him?
The elevator, herself and the man. Yeah.
My boyfriend like that.
That place was the there's sun not touching. I need the sun. They want to kill you before the marriage even starts. Okay, I'll come and talk to Dave.
Mama, you don't have to bother yourself. I just needed someone to talk to, that's all. Anyway, how are you feeling now?
My daughter, I'm better. Just that at times my heart beats faster than normal. And I feel very dizzy.
What did the doctor say?
He said that the drug will help.
Yeah, now try and take your drugs, Kwana, and relax. Try and relax, Bikon.
I'm okay, I'm fine. Just that they should leave you for me. They should do that.
Mama, don't bother yourself. I'll be fine. Mama, let me go inside and rest. I lost my keys in the bus. I don't know. I'll have to wait for Dave to come back before I go home.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm coming. Let me finish with you.
Madam, welcome.
When I love, I give my all. I do my best to keep my home. But all I get is a broken heart, and the pain is too much to bear. Too much to this is not the life I prayed for. Somebody tell me why is this happening to me?
Dave.
Why is this?
Dave! 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 Are you sure he's at home?
Okay, don't come back now. Are they sure? I've been up for you.
Dave!
Oga! Oga oh! Oga! Oga oh! Hi! Oga oh!
Dave!
Oga!
Dave!
Oga oh!
Dave!
Oga! I didn't want him come back now. You won't call her for phone?
Let me call him.
dey ring?
Dave!
Oga! Oga!
Dave!
You can't sleep with this.
This is not the love I hoped for. Somebody tell me, why is this? Why is this happening to me? Why is this? This is not the man I long for. Somebody tell me, why is this? Why is this happening to me? Why is this? This is not the home I long for. Somebody tell me, why is this? Why is this happening to me? Why is this happening to me? This is not the life I prayed for. Somebody tell me, why is this? Why is this happening to me? Why is this? This is not the love I hoped for. Somebody tell me, why is this? Why is this happening to me? Why is this? This is not the man I long for.
Madam, walk out, open the door. Just open it now.
Thank you.
This is not the home I long for. Somebody tell me, why is this? Why is this happening to me? Why is this happening to me?
Hey! Where do you think you're going to? Come, please. Which house? This house.
Look, Doris, I've just about had enough of your rubbish. This house is my house, so stay away.
The house might be your house, but the man in there is my man. Maybe I should refresh your memory for you.
Maybe I should also refresh your memory. I have never, ever wanted to have anything to do with Dave, and that hasn't changed.
Okay, so get out of my house. Who cares? Get out of my house.
What house are you even talking about? I mean, if it's not because of this bastard you're carrying in here, you think you can stand before me and talk?
You call my child a bastard?
Yes. How dare you?
Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Now, Doris may no longer be your friend, but she retains unlimited access into this house. And for specifics, she remains my woman. Do you understand me?
Darling.
Sorry, You know what? No, baby. Let's go somewhere where we will not be disturbed, okay? Let's go get sugar outside. You don't rush.
Foolish people. God will punish all of you. Foolish people. Yes, Mama, I've not seen him for days now. 4 days. No, he didn't beat me, but that's not the issue. I just want him to come home for the sake of the baby. I did. His phone is switched off. No, Mama, I can't come to the house. I have to stay at home and wait for him. I don't want him to come home to an empty house. Oh. When he comes back, I'll come and see you, okay? Sorry.
The stupid man thought he was a very smart person. Now you should know he has failed. You have failed. And
who is it this time? And whose money is this?
What business of yours is it? Enemy of progress.
Oh, it will be my business when they come looking for you. Yes.
You see you? When I was not working hard, you were complaining. Now I am working hard and earning money. You are still complaining.
Working hard? Working hard of duping people of their money? Or working hard constructing a bridge? Anyway, God knows that when they come looking for your neck, I won't be there.
Thank God he said looking for my own neck, not your own neck. So mind your business. Is there anything like a clean water I can drink in this house?
Water? You didn't even ask for food. That means you've eaten part of the money.
No, I will just admire the money. I wouldn't consume it. I'll be watching and admiring the money just for admiration. Hey, you go here. Hey! So because my daughter got pregnant, I should go and hide under the bed. Mama will go and tell her. Or I begin to dance naked. Maureen is Maureen, I am Unsobondo. We are two different people.
So what is the difference between Peter and Paul?
Oh. So if St. Paul's at the gate of heaven asks my daughter Maureen, can you please women Joe? How have you committed sin? Come and answer. I will come and answer for Maureen. It's not possible. That you're missing the point. Was I the person who put her in the family way? Carry her cross, I carry my own. These are different people.
So what if it is Devil's Gate?
Devil's Gate? You will answer devil on my behalf. May thunder fire you there. Are you not the person who just married a fulefu? They never do well. They never do well. You have mouth to talk here. They never do well. You're carrying my problems when your own are weighing you down. yourself. Huh? Never know. You want to know I will not put a round red man because I won't buy a cup of tea. Maureen is on my way.
Is that all you have to say on this? Maureen is our daughter and she deserves our help and concern.
I have no help to give her. She is on her bed, let her lie on it. If you're so concerned, why not go and make that bed comfortable for her? Yes, make it comfortable for her. As for me, please, is there any food for me?
There is food. Now you're not being fair. You're not being fair at all. You're not.
Listen to me. Life itself is not even fair. Look at the Chienza chasing me up and down because of the money I'm owing him. It's not fair to me. Is there any food for me, please? Come and give me. Hello? I'm not even a Chiwetalu Agu. Ellie there, Ellie back there.
This is how we work. Go all the way this way. Turn you around.
Here?
Go away, you're so crazy.
I know I'm crazy, I was born that way. And speaking of crazy, I have a crazy something thingy for you.
What? Tell me.
Here? And here. Happy birthday, baby.
Are you kidding me?
Of course I'm not kidding. Come on, it's your birthday.
Yeah.
I got you.
Oh.
I love you, okay?
Oh, you're such a fucking darling.
All right, you want to take your ride for a spin?
Yeah.
There you go. Come on, go ahead. Do your thing. Do your thing. That's what's
Hello?
Is this Mrs. Dave? Your husband just got a call for his girlfriend. Come to Valley Hotel right away and you will see them. Hurry.
Hello? Hello?
She hasn't seen anything yet. She wants to take my man to me. Hell no.
Yes. Hey. Please, go. And remember, I need a taxi to go to the hospital later. Just go.